Okay, first of all, we can make the basic plane with using the rectangle, with a long rectangle in here. Then we can click and push it up in here. Okay, then I will make the underground underground path in here. I just make this object. I make the rectangle over there in here. Yeah, and then now we can make the curve just like this. Okay, and click and just offset it outside until the position in here, or maybe we can just select the line and offset until to the position in here to make the underground routing in here. Okay, then now we can make the line in here. Okay, and right click and erase. Okay, then we can click and push it to the another side over there, and now we can click and push to the position and make the line in here again, and also on the position, and erase some unnecessary line. Okay, and then we can make the curve. Click and push it to the position in here. Okay, and then now we can double click, right click, and also make group. Okay, then now we can make the pipe routing in here. We can use the line, or maybe we can click this one. Can click this line. Okay, or we can just click this line anyway. We can click this line, and select edit, copy, exit of the group, and edit, and just paste in place in here, and just offset it outside. Okay, offset it inside, I mean. Okay, and offset it inside again, and offset it inside again. So we can have the routing like this. Okay, then now we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and now we can triple click this first path in here, and we can select the G8 as power bar with the pipe long path, and we can select OK in here, or we can make a smaller. We can undo and click, and then we can make smaller, like 150, and make this one 130, and select OK. And now we can make it again. Okay, just like this with this value, and make again, and okay. Okay, so this is the underground routing. Anyway, this is the underground routing. So it's depend the arrangement anyway. It's depend on the arrangement. Now we can make the another materials like landscaping over there, like, okay, maybe we can make the grazing. We can make the grass system in that position in here, and we can make the illustration. We can make the object like this. Okay, and make the object like this, and double click, right click, and also make group in here. And then now we can make the another distribution pipe in here. Maybe we can make it more larger than before. Maybe we can make it larger, like this one, and then now we can click and move it up, like to the position in here. Okay, then now we can make the curve for every single corner in here, for every single corner. And then now we can triple click and select the pipe long path in here. Then now we can set up it around 250, and this is 230, and now we can click OK in here. So we can make it more higher than before in here. Okay, so we can duplicate and also the pipe in here. We can duplicate and also rotate like this. Okay, and then now we can just make this one in here, and then now we can change the materials with using the ground materials anyway. Okay, maybe we can make the ground cover, maybe. Okay, maybe we can just make the illustration. Sorry, we can make the illustration. Okay, 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 we can make the illustration like this, or maybe we can just simplify these materials. We can just simplify the materials with using the dark color of this ground, of this underground in here. Okay, we can just make this one, okay, to make it more representative. Anyway, it should be a metal material anyway, to be a platform of this piping in here. It should be a metal materials, so I suggest to make the metal materials, because it need the strength platform to make it clean on the underground of this pipe routing and pipe distribution, just like this. And okay, maybe we can make the another metal materials like this one, or maybe we can make the metal materials of this one and make the another materials of it in here. Okay, maybe we can adjust this one just like this. And okay, I think that's enough. Then now we can activate about the shadow in here. Okay, just like this. And okay, maybe we can put the another silhouette to make the representative one in here. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial.